15 years ago I designed this pattern and it started my whole career as a textile designer. So here's the story and I'm excited to share it with you in this video. When you get to the end of this video, you will get a present from me, so stay tuned. My name is Oksancia. I have been a textile designer working for myself for around 15 years now, and I am a founder of Oksancia Textile Design Studio and online school. Here is a vector pattern that I designed first with just learning how to create vector repeat patterns. The story behind it is that I actually was very frustrated trying to design a repeat pattern in Adobe Illustrator in vector software, and the funny thing is it really was messing with my head. I was frustrated, it was super slow, it didn't align correctly, it was just not working back 15 years ago. So I actually complained to my husband, who's a tech guy. He's not an artist at all. He has a background in software, that I have been having trouble with this. So he sat me down and he said, okay, let's check it out, what's the trouble? So I sat down and I explained to him that in Adobe Illustrator back then there was no tool to design repeat patterns, and this is just the way how I designed it was, I was trying to design it, was not working out, and it was super slow and not reliable. So in a matter of a few minutes my husband figured out a way, without prior knowledge of Adobe Illustrator, how to design patterns fast and very reliable, and in many different kinds of combinations, and preview how they will turn out on repeat while you are designing it. It was just so simple and so amazing that I have been using it to this day, and I created 5,000 vector repeat patterns with that system. So this was actually my first try, and the funny thing is that I kept it, I saved it, and I even uploaded to my portfolio and to my fabric shop as well as to my microstock shops, where this little pattern has been licensed hundreds and hundreds of times and purchased on fabric hundreds of times, and over 15 years it's actually been is still selling. That was the funny thing, that I whenever I went to check out my recent sales on my Spoonflower fabric shop, I actually see this little pattern still selling, and every time it puts a smile on my face because I know that this was my first try. So I love it so much. And then this year I realized that I did not really use it on fabric, which was totally amazing. How did I not use it on fabric? So I decided to give it a shot and actually make something memorable with it to keep forever. So this is what I made. Ta-da! I made myself a little scarf, an infinity scarf like this, and it was just so fun to create a little fast project that I just stitched with my hands, and it's really soft and it's really nice. I'll treasure it forever, along with just the memory of creating the first pattern. And what did I learn from all of this experience, starting out from that first pattern and creating many more patterns, I will share next. Please give this video a like if you are finding it inspiring so far. It really helps promote my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support. The first thing I learned is be open to new ideas and try things, and don't give up on things quickly. If you have intuition that something that you want to try, be it watercolors, be it vector repeat patterns, be it anything else creative, videos maybe, don't give up quickly if your first results are not what you expect, or even if you cannot put it together. You will eventually learn how to do it and get better with practice if you don't give up. It may actually lead to an awesome creative career one day, or a very interesting series of projects that will open amazing doors for you, just like this little pattern did for me. The second thing is to ask for help if you need it. And if you see that you're stuck, maybe you just need a fresh perspective, someone with some technical experience to give you a hand, to move you forward. And together you can create something amazing, just like we did with my husband, who I'm so grateful that he helped me out in that moment and didn't let me give up. The third thing is to treasure those first designs, those first sketches, because they will make a great story for you someday. Take pictures of yourself just starting out, trying, and maybe they're funny, maybe everything is not working out, but you know, in the moment it doesn't feel like it will be a good story, but 15 years later it might be a great story to tell that will be inspiring for people who are frustrated just starting out as you were some time ago. So today I shared with you my first ever vector repeat pattern design and all the cool things that came out of it, as well as 3 things that I learned since creating this design and from this particular design over the years. Please hit that like button if you found this video inspiring and useful, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos on textile design and running a creative business. Also, please share this video with somebody who is just starting out and trying to make it as a creative person, no matter in which creative pursuit. And also, I know I promised you a present at the beginning of this video and you hang on until this point, so here it is. I created a free webinar, 3 secrets of starting and running a lifestyle business designing vector repeat patterns, designing fabric and patterns just like the one that you saw in this video. And I am giving it today to you for free. You can sign up. It's a 1.5 hours of teaching about running a creative textile design business. I am hoping you find it very useful. You can subscribe to it, register for it in the little info card in the corner of this video. If you click on it, you'll be taken to a page where you can register for free, or there's the link in the description below this video. Please hop on over and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Grow, love, and create, and I will see you in my next